Uh, Dear Mr. Muhammad Ahmad Khan Sahab, I want to show how to find out a particular video in my channel. You are having some problems and you asked me to explain it for you. So let us suppose first of all, you want to search for my YouTube channel, you should type like this. And if you press on this, you will get a number of videos here, and but you should press on this name. If you press on this, you will get this screen. So this is the home, and this shows the welcoming video. And if you click on videos, this will show you complete list of videos that I have uploaded so far. So far, I have uploaded 256 videos, and I am also going to upload more videos in the coming time, inshallah. So you may either search a video by scrolling down and up in this, and there is another easy way to search for a particular video in specific areas. So for that purpose, I have made or created playlists. And here are the playlists. For example, this playlist is about rural development, and that has lectures relating to rural development. In this playlist, I have uploaded lectures relating to managerial economics, and the number of videos based on managerial economics is 12. Similarly, under macroeconomics, there are 14 videos, and under eViews is a software in which we analyze the data. There are 21 videos. This is microeconomic theory, and in this playlist, I have 16 videos. Similarly, in this is another playlist, SPSS, and it means this playlist includes all those videos which are based on data analysis using SPSS software. These videos are about basic mathematics, and the number of videos in this playlist is 17. These are some miscellaneous videos. 12 videos are about basic statistics, and 44 videos are based on basic econometrics. And similarly, 21 videos are relating to those video lectures which are based on stata, and this also includes data analysis. And in this playlist, I have uploaded or added those videos which are the most widely viewed or watched videos. Now, if you want to see how you can see the various videos in a particular play, don't click on this. You should click on this view full playlist. If you do like this, then it will list here the videos, and then you go back. If you go back, you can also click this one, and this will list for you the total videos, 12 videos that are contained in this managerial economics. Similarly, if you go back and under macroeconomics, you will see the list of 14 videos. Here it says 14 videos. And similarly, I want to show this eViews based videos, and here are the data analysis videos which are based on eViews, and you see here the number of videos is 21. Again, let me also see some other playlist in which there are more videos. So, for example, in basic econometrics, I have 44 videos. So, if I view full list, this is the full view list of the videos that I have uploaded in this playlist. So, this is another way of how to find out a particular video of your interest. And if you click on channels, these are the channels that I have subscribed to. And finally, the about button shows the description of my channel. And this shows that I have joined this channel on 27th of June 2015. And here This shows total number of views of this channel. 4,063,330. Similarly, if I go to videos, I can also search videos by three different ways. If I click on most popular, the most popular videos will be listed here. So this is the video which has been watched more than 63,000 times, 61,000 times, 25,000 times, and so on. So my dear students, colleagues, and friends, this is how we can go through and find out a lecture of our interest. I hope this was quite informative for you, and let me know if you have any problem with this. So thank you.